right? If new, so the second one, you see, all organisms are made up of one or more cells. Okay, so there are organisms made up of one cell. In the whole body, there will be one cell there. There are organisms made up of many cells. Take human body. In human body, there are about 60 trillion cells there. Some books write that there are about 100 trillion cells are there. So without cells, there's no organisms. If there are cells present, then there is organisms there. The third one, new cells are formed from pre-existing cells. New cells are formed from pre-existing cells. Now think this way, our hairs are growing. When the hair is growing, new cells are made. From whom? From the existing cells. If a new cell have to come, there should be already a cell there. Almost like life. If a new human being has to be born, he should be born from an existing human being. Yes or no? Okay, if the human beings are absent in this world, can you bring a new human being to this world? That is not possible. Okay, if elephants are absent in the world, you can't bring elephants to the world. From elephants, you can make elephants. From horses, you can make horses. From amoeba, you can make amoeba. From cell only, you can make cell. That is, new cells are formed from pre-existing cells. Okay, so I am asking the next one. What are the components included in the concept of cell? Simple idea. One, it says structural unit of life is cell. Second, functional unit of functional. F-U-N-C-T-I-O-N-A-L, functional unit of life is cell. Next it is define unicellular organisms. Very simple. Organisms who are made up of only one cell. Their bodies are made up only of one cell. Then they are unicellular organisms. Who are the examples for unicellular organisms? Amoeba. If you have heard about these names in your lower grades, you are really lucky. So, paramecium, bacteria, yeast, all these ones are unicellular organisms. Define multicellular organisms. Who are multicellular organisms? Organisms made up of many cells. Who are the examples for multicellular organisms? Any animal, any plant, even if it write human. Example, no? Okay. Any animal, if you write, it will be a multicellular organism. Any plant you write, it will be also a multicellular organism. Right. Write evidences to say that structural unit of organisms is cell. Simple evidence. All organisms, okay, can be observed having one or many cells. Non-living matter cannot be observed having cells. In non-living matter, you cannot observe that there are cells. Okay, right. Write evidences to say that functional unit of organisms is cell. Okay, different cells do different functions in human body or plant body. Example, blood cell carries oxygen, muscle cell, okay, do movement, okay, right. Neuron helps in transmission of impulses. There are many functions there. In which features, next question, in which features cells differ from each other? Cells differ from each other in the shape, in the size, in the function. If you look at bone cell, it will be in one shape. The upper picture I showed you, the neuron will be in one shape, immune cell will be in one shape, fat cell will be in one shape, epithelial cell will be in one shape. Different shapes are there, different sizes are there, different functions are there. So they will differ in three features: shape, size and function. Okay, all cells visible to human naked eye? Remember, most of the cells are not visible to human naked eye. Okay, they should be observed using microscope. But some cells are there, they are visible to human naked eye. Which one? The the bird egg. Even human egg is visible to human naked eye, but we don't close observe it. But bird egg is very bigger. Okay, if you take the main point, it is the yellow yolk of the egg. All of you have seen bullseye. Okay, this single one. So here you can see three. Right, each is a cell. Each orange one or yellow one is a cell. So it is about 2 centimeters in diameter. You can see them by your naked eye. It's a cell, single cell. Keep in mind. Okay, bye. So my children, today I am finishing this portion with this. You have to copy the notes and send it to me at the same time. I want you to send me an opinion how this unit 6 of discussion in this method is understandable. Are you understanding clearly, or you have some challenges in understanding it? Because it's a theory lesson, not a practical lesson like friction or forces. Let me know. It will be helpful for me to further improve my lesson. Okay, fine. And Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.